And again, that's going to allow JK to reel him in a bit.
Whoa!
Oh no, JK makes a mistake.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm on Ottawa On-Road RC Racing. We are in the middle of the VTA B main, I believe. But next race you're going to see, I'm going up in the F1A main. I qualified P2 in the A. And this is the first week I've ever tried racing my Exotek F1 R5 with a rear spool. So I do have some video of testing it, the rear spool for the first time. That means this rear axle is completely locked. There is no slip, no differential action. These two tires rotate at the exact same rate around all corners and in all scenarios. All right, I'm gonna record my F1 Q1 because I put a spool in the back of this car. It's my first time I've ever driven F1 on a spool. I don't know if it's gonna be good or bad. Remember, we're on this gray carpet that is discontinued and they don't make it anywhere else. But this has now become more of a CarpetWorks car than I've ever had before because I have the carpet rear wing, the carpet shock tower, and the carpet spool. So we'll see. We'll see if I can turn with the rear end fully locked.
1 minute to the start of the race. John K.
All right, I'm just gonna have Chris go.
Good news is that.
Slow down and just put us in the orange.
Good news is it turns. Whoa.
Okay. All right, that is in fact you. Good.
All right.
Chris.
All right, everybody's
Whoa.
checked in.
You got to be careful about the rolling on the power when you're not straight. But other than that, it seems like it works out okay.
All right, running orders: Eddie, Steven, Chris, and John. And with our new start button, things happen pretty quickly. So in less than 10, everybody close.
Feels good. Just got to be careful coming on power.
Chris. John K.
Well, why are you not going?
I don't know, I thought you heard my name. Yep.
Oh man, I love that there's no slip off the acceleration now. Can really get out of the hole a lot quicker. This feels really good. Whoa. Get a little squirrely off full acceleration. But I love how you can punch it at the corners.
Fastest lap of the group is Eddie with 11 flat, with 11.7 from John, 11.8 from Chris, and 11.6 from Steven. Last time, if you're going to Eddie calls your name.
John K. done. Crosser done. Eddie done.
All right.
All
Good.
drivers are finished.
Everybody's done. Eddie took
Good test. I'm happy with that.
Fastest lap with Eddie was 10.8.
Up next, race number 12. Stocks it in.
All right, first test with the spool success. I think I'll leave it in for all the quals and see how we qualify today. Awesome. So you have to be a little bit careful driving it like that, but that is technically what the upgrade is for the carpet version of this car. This car started out with the R5. I have added the CarpetWorks rear wing, the CarpetWorks shock tower, and now the CarpetWorks rear axle and spool. I'm still running the battery in the horizontal configuration, but the full CarpetWorks car has the battery in the longitudinal configuration. But in order to do that, I would have to redo everything, so I'm not going to do that. But what did happen to me is in Q2, I had a really hard hit in the rear boards. These are the little spacers that go inside of this rear bulkhead. And it pushed right through. So there's a little space around the outside. This is one of the good ones, right? You see that little spacer, the little edge? That is what allows it to key into the rear bulkhead and not move anymore. I had such a hard side hit that this one is completely sheared off, so this is now a useless part. I just wanted to kept it to show you. But I don't have any more of this exact size. This one is a, I believe it's a -1, so it's, the way I was running it was with the number on top, so it was dropping my axle down by 1 millimeter. It lowered my axle down by 1 millimeter. I'm now on the 0-degree rear hub height, and surprisingly on this gray carpet, because we run a bit of a different carpet than anywhere else, we're on a gray Exotek carpet, it actually had better handling with the axle raised to the 0 position. So I am starting P2 in the A main, and we'll see if we can get a win. But the win is against Eddie Mong with his hot high-end X-ray. I don't think we're going to do it, but we will give it a try. All right, here we go. F1 A main. I'll be starting in P2. This is with the rear axle spool. I just have to be very careful that I don't break my car. Got to keep it off the boards. With the spool, you got to be a little bit extra careful because it will bite you. But I do enjoy how it handles, and especially you can like rock it out of the corners because it's fixed. There's no slip now, right? So it's as much grip as you have, you can rock it through here.
Still need some Marshalls. All right, exactly right here. All right, Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. We'll go racing at the sound of tone in less than 5. And they're off. Nice clean start.
Oh no!
Oh no, what did you
JK
do?
gets hung up.
I hooked.
And that's going to allow Chris by.
I hooked it in.
Mr. Frost with a bump up and send JK to the back of the pack. Oh no, he gets hung up on the straight too. I think his tires are a little squirmy still.
Too hot, too hot. Yeah, I use tire warmers now.
Eddie's gonna see if he can run away. Uh-oh, look at this, Prosser. I saved my battery. Bump up is right on Mr. Cleary's heels now. That's our tightest battle on track. He's gonna go inside, he's gonna go inside, he's gonna go inside. No. He's looking for just a bit of room. He's got the speed, he got this side. Oh, he does! Gets him on the sweeper. And he's gonna pull a corner ahead in the infield. And that battle is gonna let Eddie skate a half a lap away. And Mr. Frost is gonna see if he can keep it clean. Goes a little bit wide there. Mr. Cleary's gonna chase him down.
I'm chipping.
And don't leave JK out. He can put in some hot laps. And he's gonna catch right back up and be in the mix. Uh-oh, Prosser. Bobble at the end of the straight. Chris is right back on his heels. Again, our tight battle on track. And JK wants him to battle. Oh no, Chris gets a corner a little bit wide there. Dirties his tires. And again, that's going to allow JK to reel him in a bit.
Whoa!
Oh no, JK makes a mistake. Oh, Cleary makes a mistake. JK makes a mistake. A bit of space between them now.
Go ahead.
And JK's going to blue flag. Oh no.
There goes the spur.
Take himself out of it.
Bye bye spur.
Yeah, that's rough. JK out of it. And just as he was starting to catch back up too. Uh-oh, Prosser makes a mistake.
All right, we'll watch this battle of
It's a bit
the
squirrely,
battle for
just at
2
the
and
top of
3.
the straight. And Mr. Cleary's going to close the gap. Oh! No, makes a massive mistake. And Cleary's right on his heels now. He's going to be the gentleman though and wait for him, and they're going to battle it out. Go. 2 minutes to go.
Oh, God.
Robin's racing, Harry. This is 80s up one. Minute 35 to go. Eddie's just got to keep his car together, and he's going to take the cake. And Chris is going to see if he can catch Prosser one more time. Put a little pressure on him here, see if he can make a mistake. A minute and 15 to go.
Come on, Chris.
Can he do it? Oh, he makes a little bump, but
Oh,
does the
no.
same thing and loses the tires a bit.
And goes tires dirty.
Too much pressure.
1 minute to go. Prosser bobbles a little at the end of the straight. A little bit of gap closed in. 50 seconds to go. It's all about who can keep it clean.
Come on, Chris.
Oh, another bobble from Prosser. 30 seconds to go.
Woo.
They're going to get about 3 laps.
Clear's trying. Oh, he's.
Chris closing the gap.
Oh, that's gonna do it.
And Prosser's going to sneak away. Now he's 2.5
Yeah.
corners out.
Yeah, that's
A
gonna do it.
straightaway away. 10 seconds to go. They're going to get one more lap. Chris might get caught at the line here. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, good try, Chris. You were reeling him in. You're just getting caught. Yeah, I know.
What a battle there.
Nice. Good run, guys.
Prosser, our bump up's going to take the 2. Chris clearly.
All right.
Unfortunately, he.
I blew up my gearing. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.